Hey guys, so this one's going to be a little bit different. I'm actually going to show you something I've been using for a little while instead of unboxing it and you getting to see it that way. These are both things that I paid for with my own money, so this is not sponsored. First, we have this bag with Boulder tools on it, which is oddly enough just a little patch, but it's on this Molly panel bag type thing. And inside it is the tool that I've been using for deflating tires. Actually pulls out the valve stem, and in this, if I'm not mistaken, comes with additional valve stems and a few other tools, which is nice if you need them, that's for sure. The other thing that I had purchased, and I actually backed this on Kickstarter. This is a tire inflation tool. It is by Fanttik. It is a standalone device. It is also a power bank. It is also a light. I've not needed to use it as a power bank or a light yet. This does inflate all four of my tires when I do air down to about the max that I normally put them at, which is about 37 when they're inflated. I normally air down to about 30, 32, just depending on where we are. So, about, what would that be? 28 PSI total that I'm going up from this on one single charge. It does do a little bit over that, but not by much. And charging it does take a little bit of time. One of the key features that I like is I can set it, forget it. So let's deflate a tire, and then we'll set and forget this. Alright, so first, let's go ahead and take that off, which, excuse the dust, because I guess I didn't clean that. Next part, take the tool here, go ahead and purge it of all the air. I guess there was still some left in it. And start by screwing it on the valve stem. So it's in, and you'll notice this is very stiff. So if I start to twist that, all of a sudden it comes out. Well, this is actually taking my valve stem out, which makes it so that we can have full air release. So right now, according to this, we're sitting at about 34-ish pounds. The way that this works, let me just purge it. So, know that it's cleaned out, got enough air out of there, and all we do is pull this, and it'll release pressure. This release will go ahead and get us aired down quite quick. And you can watch the tire drop. So we want to check it. Just throw it back on there. Looks like we went down to about 25. Well below where I wanted to be. So let's go ahead and inflate now. So first we'll put that valve stem back in. Here, and then boom, power on. And what's nice is this will actually tell me what we're sitting at once it gets enough pressure. So we're sitting at exactly 25. So let's set it. I'm gonna set it down. I'm gonna hit the power button, which turns it on and tells it to go. So let's see how long 10 PSI takes. Alright, so you guys can see that it actually inflates it to 36, even though I have it set to 35, and that's because of one reason. As I unscrew this, it actually loses just enough air that it goes to the right PSI that I set it to. So that's the Boulder Tools Deflator and the Fanttik Inflator. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you got any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. And like, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 before the end of the year. See you in the next one.